So let's now go for our last example. So again, so this is I've already teach you how to get the general solution if you have a what do you call this, a roots given to you. Now let's try. Okay, so let me clear this first. Okay, so okay, so from here the roots are okay. So our roots are m is equals to 1, m equals to 1, m equals to 1, m equals to 3, and m equals to 3. So we have 5 roots. Okay. So from there, we'll try to get our general solution. Okay. So simply you have y equals. So since you have 3 repeated roots, you have c sub 1 for the first root, x raised to the power of 0, e raised to the power of the root 1 times x plus the second root c sub 2, x raised to the power of 1, e raised to the power of 1 times x plus c sub 3, which is x go up 1 higher, then multiply by e raised to the power of the root, which is 1 times x, plus the fourth root, which is the fourth arbitrary constant, then multiply it by x, but you will not increase it by 1 since this one is another root na. So, lahi na siyang root. So, to 0, back to 0. So, e raised to the power of the root, which is 3x plus c5 x0. No, sorry, not 0. That is 1 because it's already the second. Okay, then e raised to the power of 3x. Okay, therefore, our general solution is c sub 1. This becomes 1. So, e raised to the power of x plus c sub 2 x e raised to the power of x plus c sub 3 x squared e raised to the power of x plus c sub 4, that is 1, e raised to the power of 3x plus c sub 5 x e raised to the power of x. So I think that's we have the same answer. So okay. So here, okay, typo na po na ako. Sorry. So this is typographical error. This is should be 2. Okay? This should be 2. Okay? Palihog ko. So, pagsuwat na nako, siguro pinalian ako, nalipat na tana. Okay. So, this should be 2. Okay? So, please make sure to always look at the video. Okay? Usahay na yung mga, hindi na tumalikiyan ng mga errors. Okay? So, from there. Okay? So, 3. Nakalimot galita niyo. Okay. This should be also have 3. Okay? So, from there, since we have this root, we can also get the differential equation. Okay? So, unsa may differential equation aning roots? So, meaning you have m equal, so m, so kana siya, so minus 1, kay pagbalhin ni mana, ma-negative to 0. So, m minus 1 dyan na siya. m minus 1, m minus 1 times m minus 3 and m minus 3 equals 0. Okay. So, let's try na lang siya. Okay. So, from here, what we do is to factor this one. So, you could use unsang mga methods para mas dali siya in algebra. So, m times m, you have m squared minus m times negative 1, negative m, negative 1 times m, negative 2m na siya, and negative m. So, when you distribute this one, you have this result. Then, copy. After that, kini na pod, gi-distribute na pod nako ani. Nato ani. So, when you have m cubed, m times this, you have 2m squared, m times 1, that's m, and negative 1 as follows. After that, copy. Then, you could multiply this one or distribute. So, gianam-anam lang nako para hindi siya kayo confusing, although taas siya. At least for those na wala kay ba sa ubang methods, so this is the most easiest one but longer na pamaagi. Okay? Okay, if I discuss other methods like mga Pascal triangle, katong uban pang mga methods, so ang mahitabo is mataas na pud ako ang discussion, which dili na siya actually involved sa ato ang differential equation. So this multiply here, so you'll have this result. So please check na lang sa akong sign o sa akong value. Basta ang point ani, after nako ni siya gi-copy, this kini na pod i-distribute na pod nako ani. Okay. So kini gi-simplify nako na siya. Na may ma-cancel, na matapo, na ma-minus, so kini na lang ang nabilin. Then distribute the m minus 3. So pag distribute nako, ngani na pod katas a. After that, nay matapo na pod, like for example, this raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of 3, raised to the power of 2, mausa siya. And then, after that, so we have already identified our auxiliary equation, di ba? And we know that f of m, since this is m, is equal to 0. Therefore, the other one is, when you change your m back to the differential, you have d. So m is d, r is y. So other books use that configuration. So m is d, so you have d. And we remember that when we, from a differential equation, when we solve it to general solution, there is always this form. F of d, y is equals to 0. So two factors. So when we get our general solution, we only consider the f of d. So therefore, when we return it back, going back, so we would need to have this y. Okay? So from there, so kinesiya, gihimo ng 5, gihimo ng 4, gihimo ng 3, gihimo ng squared, kana. Tapos, i-multiplyan siya og y. I-multiplyan siya tanan og y. After that, i-convert na siya into this order. So, 5th order, 9 times the 4th order, 30 times the 3rd order, 46 times the 2nd order, and 33 on the 1st order, and minus 9y equals 0. Okay? So, I think that's all for the case number 2. Next meeting, we will be discussing about the case number 3. Okay? So, I think that's all. And have a blessed day.